Thanks for tuning in to Amazing Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I steam my fish. It only takes 15 minutes of your time, and with simple ingredients we will maintain the maximum natural flavor of the fish itself. Okay, so let's get going. So now that you've seen how the fish is steamed, it's very simple. Now the reason why we only use simple ingredients like this is to maintain the natural flavor in the fish. You don't want to over season this. We don't even use salt on this because the soy sauce already has seasoning in it. Okay, now let's give this a try. Remove some of that ginger and look at this. The flesh just falls off the bone nicely. Get some of that soy sauce. See, if you over steam this fish, the meat will start to tighten up and it won't taste good. So the timing is key with this dish. Wow. This is how I always make my fish. I mean, this way is a fail-proof method. You can never get this wrong. I mean, this can work with any kind of fish, freshwater or saltwater fish. It tastes even better if it's a saltwater fish. And after you have your fish, wash it down with a nice cup of tea. Cleans your palate nicely and you start all over again. I like to have this with rice so I can use the sauce and pour over the rice. It has a very subtle flavor, very nice. You really taste the natural aroma from this fish. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope you like this episode, and then we'll see you next time again. Make sure you hit the bell button to be notified when our next video is posted. Okay, bye now.